Hi guys, good morning. Ako'y napagod sa gawaing bahay. Time check, it's 9:30 1 here in the Philippines, okay? So, I'm so tired done from homeworks. Nalinisan ko na din ang sofa. So, right now, I am going to take my snack. Ayan. Shoutout sa nagpadala nito, guys. Galing ito sa aking ex. Padala ni ex-boyfriend. Padala ni ex-boyfriend ko, guys, oh. Okay, so alam niya kasi na favorite ko yung kape. Nagpadala siya. Ex-boyfriend, oh, 'di ba? Sad ka pa, which is now my spouse. Who is now my spouse? Kaya ex-boyfriend, okay. Ayan. Yan, guys. So, paubos na nga, oh. Binili to ni jowa ko.